So you might be in a situation where you're trying to go ahead and fix your Google Pixel Buds if they're just not working at all. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this could end up happening is usually because within your particular device, you might be seeing that your Pixel Buds might not be fully charged. So number one, make sure your Pixel Buds are completely charged. That's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing. So go ahead, plug in your phone, your Pixel Buds at the bottom, and go ahead and charge up these particular devices. That's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing. It's one of the easiest things to kind of get started with. Now, if that doesn't end up working, the next thing you might want to try doing here is you might want to try going through and you want to see if your Pixel Buds are fully connected into your device. So go through, unplug your particular Pixel Buds like this, take them out, and go ahead and put them back into your particular ear. A lot of the times, if you go and do something like that, that might end up doing, basically fixing the problem. And that could be a very easy thing to go and fix as well. If that's still not working, the next thing you might want to try doing is to go through and try repairing your Pixel Buds over to your phone. So put your Pixel Buds in pairing mode. There's a little button on the back, usually with most of them, that you can repair them. Go ahead, find your phone and go and kind of repair your device over to your phone. And that could be another very easy thing to go ahead and do. Come right into here, connect to devices, go ahead and try repairing your particular phone to your Pixel Buds. That could be another thing you can try doing as well. If that's still not working, maybe you can try restarting your Pixel Buds. But those are kind of the main ways to go and fix that problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.